Good morning, everyone. This is Mimi from Mimi's Crafty Shop. Welcome back to my channel. I have my reveal unboxing of my kit from Miss Doreen Rook, who has OohLaLa Vintage Treasures. This is one of her kit clubs, the Crystal and Pearls Kit Club, and I'm a guest design team member of this, and I have been so fortunate that she has invited me to do this, and this is my last kit for this member thing here that I've been doing, but I'm still going to stay in her kit club because I absolutely love her kits. They're beautiful. She spends a lot of time getting them together, and they're just gorgeous. And there's so much you can do with them. And this one I'm really excited about because it is called Angel Whispers Kit. And I'm excited to be able to do some stuff with some wings and some angel wings, and just I can't wait. I'm so excited. I've got a new die cut and everything, so I'm so excited that I'm going to be able to do this. And so let's get started on showing you this beautiful kit. She always really does a lot with her kits that she takes time and effort. There's a lot of different things in here. Some of the stuff that she actually designs herself, and then the rest of it is things for you to do. So, love this paper. If y'all haven't seen these are just lovely to use. You can fold them over in a journal page. You can make like a little file folder out of them, put several of them together, which I had done that in the past. So just a lot of neat things. And Jennifer, which is from Traces Sparkle, is her collaborator on a lot of this stuff. And I know that she helped her on some of this. So everybody knows Jennifer and knows what a fabulous designer she is. And so let's get started here again. Oh my goodness, look at this little angel wing here. Isn't that gorgeous? Little charm. And all these beautiful laces and stuff that she's sent with it. She's got it on a little clip here. Love those little, I think they're called bull clips, I think. Isn't that beautiful? Look at these laces. I just love these. She takes this like little applique, little small stuff that you can make paper clips with that are really fun to do. Oh my goodness, gorgeous lace. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. It's got a little gold glitter there on there, that one. Okay, so here is the big part. I love this right here, super cute. This is something that she wrote to me. She always finds the neatest papers and scrapbook papers. I love unique stuff, and that's why I like her kits. Okay, let's open this up. And this is really cool because I'm not for sure. Okay, this right here is these beautiful envelopes, window envelopes that she's been using. And I just love them. Look how she's taking and putting this stuff on here, and that beautiful circle. Oh, all that comes off. Oh, cool. So all that comes off, and you can take this apart. It's stapled together, but you can take it apart and just, make all kinds of really pretty things with it. And then she's got a little cutout thing there too, so that's pretty. This paper is just beautiful. I love these appliques in here, and they're not wanting to come out. They said, I don't want to come out of there. There we go. Aren't those beautiful? Those kind of look like angel wings, which is an idea. So there you go. That's probably what she thought for me to do with them. These two, you could cut this apart and make angel wings out of it. These are so pretty. I love these. They're gorgeous. I hope I'm in frame. And let me get to this first. Okay. Here is, oh, these little hearts. Aren't they adorable? Oh, so cute. This is something that she made up. It's like little music paper that she took and folded over. She always has the greatest ideas. I mean, I'm not very creative when it comes to coming up with things that for myself, I usually have to watch other crafters and artists and stuff, and you know, I tweak their ideas. I don't always, you know, copy them, but I like to say that I tweak their ideas and I use them. And I think that's one thing I love about the crafting community is that everybody shares their work and is happy for people. These are so beautiful. It's just like little tiny stamps. I love those. And this is the most tiniest little bag I've ever seen. And I think she probably made it. And I can't get this out because I'm fumble fingers. So let me see if I can pull this out of there. Okay, here's another small one. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny that is. And it has angel wings on it. That is so pretty. You know, my video seems so dark. I hope it's not. Let me see if I can get some more light over here. Maybe that'll help. Okay, got it out. Isn't that adorable? I bet she made this out of glassine bag. Okay, here's some more little goodies. Look at these little tags. Oh, made out of music paper. Beautiful. I love small stuff. This is just gorgeous. And look here, she's got a little pocket here on the front. Oh my gosh. This is the probably inspiration for her whispers. Is it Angel Whispers or Angel Whispers? Yeah, Angel Whispers. This is so pretty. Gorgeous. And then she's taken this envelope and has embossed it. And I love this embossing here. I think it is so pretty. I noticed that Jennifer uses a lot of embossing, and I was telling her that, you know, for some reason I have a Vagabond, and it kind of over embosses my stuff and causes it to kind of put holes in my paper. So I'm curious as to what y'all think I can do to make that not happen. It's electric, so, you know, I'm not hand cranking it. So I don't know if it's just I'm doing something wrong or what. I guess I need to find out on YouTube. All right. This is some paper that she's stapled to that. It's kind of could be like a fold out. Some guest check, the pink ones, which I love. And these are really vintage, okay? This is like from the Adjective. So this is probably like an English book or something. And then here is some beautiful music paper that is very vintage. You can tell by the look and feel of it. And I love this because, you know, I can make something with this. Gives me an idea. Cute, cute, cute. And look at this ribbon. I mean, not ribbon, but lace. Beautiful. Okay. Let's get on to this. Some more beautiful lace. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't know if she dyed this with the avocado dye or she bought it like that, but I love this. This is so pretty. So pretty. And I just love these window envelopes. I don't know about y'all, but these are so much fun to work with. And she's inspired me to use them a lot in my crafts. They're just gorgeous. You can get these on Amazon, okay? They're not that expensive. Isn't this beautiful? See how she's collaged all this up and just added, oh, another angel charm wing. Beautiful. Look at all that yumminess. You know, I just love Doreen, and she's such a sweet lady, and she does, like I said, she takes a lot of care in her putting these kits together and works very hard and diligently in doing this. Oh, I love this paper. I think this come from my porch prints, but I'm not for sure because I think I have this, which I absolutely love, her digitals. And here is a big window envelope that she's taken, and these are, you can get these from Amazon too. And sometimes you can find them on Etsy, you know, some of the ladies that have the little shops that have the crafts. Oh my goodness. Baby face. cute. I don't know where she always finds all her neat music paper. That is adorable. Baby face. You've got the cutest little baby face. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's look in here. What do we got in here? Oh my goodness, she gave me, oh, I'm so excited. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Look at this beautiful fabric. It's got a shimmer to it. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. And this, you can tell this is vintage. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this type of fabric. Kind of reminds me of a pillowcase. Kind of got that feel to it. Oh. She's putting this beautiful scrapbook paper on here and lined this, I think. Oh no, I see what she did. She took some craft paper and added this music paper to it and kind of did it, you know, on the edges. That's cute. And here is another one of these beautiful envelopes. And some more of her beautiful paper doilies, which she has the most pretty. I can't find those. I don't know where she gets them, but they're gorgeous. And I love this pink paper. I love finding different kind of notebook paper and using it. Okay. This is what I think Jennifer collaborated with her on, which she does a lot of this stuff with her. But it's just like a little mini file folder. I mean, how cute is this? This is adorable. And then she's dyed it pink, which I've seen that she had some of this for sale. That is so cute. She is so creative too. What a cute, oh my goodness. Look, this is made out of envelope. Neat. Neat, neat, neat. And then she zigzags around everything. How pretty is that? Well, Miss Doreen, I'm super excited with my kit, and I cannot wait to get started on it. You've given me a lot of beautiful things to work with, and you have got my mind just going crazy with working. And next week I'm going to get started on this. So I thank you so much again for allowing me to do this, and I've had a super fun time. And y'all check back with me. You know, I know a lot of y'all have probably maybe already seen this revealed, but you know, maybe not. And but check back with me, because I usually try to do a couple of projects, some kind of craft with me, and it's going to be fun. So y'all have a blessed day, and thank y'all so much for watching.